So, hi students. Today we'll discuss about some important topics from the polymers lesson. So, from polymers we'll discuss about the natural rubber. So, polymers. So, first natural rubber. Natural rubber. Polymers. Natural rubber. So, natural rubber, which is natural rubber generally produced from the rubber trees. Rubber trees. So rubber leaves generally shafts. We are saying that shafts are vines. Okay. So these are the examples for rubber trees. So generally from the rubber trees we should collect the milky suspension. So milky suspension. That is called latex. Milky suspension is called latex. That latex is the it is a substance of latex is the substance of negatively charged. It is the emulsion of emulsion of negatively charged polyhydrocarbon 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 particles, carbon particles in aqueous solution. Negative charge polyhydrocarbon particles in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. So latex is the emulsion. It is a colloidal solution which is produced by the negatively charged colloidal polyhydrocarbon particles dispersed in the water. So this is a latex. So latex is produced from the rubber trees. Now if you discuss, this is the natural rubber is the it is the addition polymer of 1,3-butadiene 2 methyl 1 comma 3 butadiene 1,3-butadiene. So if you see, so this is the polybuta 3-methyl 1,3-butadiene. This is present in the natural rubber. So according to studies, so the natural rubber is having empirical formulae is C5H8. C5H8. So in this, the bonds are, one unit can be joined with other unit by 1,4 links. So units are joined by 1,4 units, 1 comma 4 positions, 1,4 positions. And here these polymers and this one four units are joined. Here the natural rubber is a very soft material. It is soft and have sticky mass. It is soluble in water. Soluble in water. It is soluble in water, and it is soluble in non-polar compounds, non-polar solvents like petrol and CCl4, CS2, carbon disulfide, benzene. They are soluble but insoluble in water. Insoluble in water. So the ozonolysis of this natural rubber gives 1,4 positions are linked, head to tail linked. So 1 4 positions are linked. So this is the compound of cis. This is a cis compound. It can be shows geometrical isomerism, which shows a cis compound arranged in a cis. So cis 1,3 butadiene. So they are arranged like this. This is the original form of natural rubber. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next to. So the original form of this compound is cis form. This is two CH2 groups are same side, or methyl hydrogen is same side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 2 position methyl group is present. They are linked by 1, 4 linkages. One unit to first carbon and second unit to fourth carbon. They are linked. So this is the cis form natural rubber. Cis form natural rubber. Natural rubber. So the ozonolysis of this compound. The ozonolysis of this compound, if you make ozonolysis, upon ozonolysis of this natural rubber gives ozonolysis of natural rubber gives 4-oxopentanol. 4-oxopentanol. It provides 4-oxopentanol. 4-oxopentanol. Let me know here if cleavage. This is going to form aldehyde part. If you take this ending part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here breakage takes place, here breakage takes place. If you take breakage here and here this part is going to aldehyde and this part going to keto form. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-oxopentanol will be formed. 4-oxopentanol. One, two, three, four, 5. So 4-oxopentanol is the ozonolysis product of natural rubber. Ozonolysis product of natural rubber. And this natural rubber is upon strong heating in the presence of air. Natural rubber upon heating in the presence of air. In the presence of air, upon strong heating, it provides CO2 plus water. CO2 plus water. And the same natural rubber upon heating in the absence of air. Absence of air, if you heat, it can be formed as 1,3-butadiene. 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene. 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene. So this is the unit present in the natural rubber. So natural rubber is generally does not having any polar groups. All are non-polar carbon hydrogen bonds. So it have weak van der Waals forces. So one chain to other chain, it have weak. It have weak van der Waals forces. So it is easy to break. It does not have good stretchable property, and also if we apply high force, it can be break easily. So that's why to develop this natural rubber, and also this natural rubber is suitable for making rubbers, but not automobiles. Not used automobiles Automobile tires. Automobile tires are not shootable because it is easily stretched by applying force which can be break. It does not have more elastic properties. So to develop this, the vulcanization process takes place.